Hi and welcome back to Run the Robsons. Today is the middle of September and it's absolutely glorious outside. It is about 21-22 degrees and we're off to a new place called Derwent View camping and glamping. So we'll see what that's about. So Maisie's in the back ready, Martha's in the back ready, or she's having a fight with that seat belt, and then Olivia's ready. Say hello, Olivia.
Ready? Say hi.
No hi today. And Lucy's just getting bits and pieces sorted, that's why the door's open. So it's about an hour because we're going to take the slightly longer route but the slightly easier route to get to. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit and we'll do a little wander around the campsite when we get there. Bye for now. Hi and welcome to Rolling the Robsons. We're now pitched up at our place at Derwent View glamping and caravan site. So in the background there you'll just be able to see we've put the awning up, the big awning up, because we've got a surprise for the girls that's already came. That's the grandma and 3 of their aunties. So that's why we've got the big awning up. So that's all set up, just going to go on a little wander. So there you go, that's the pitch all set up. And obviously we've got somebody next to us on pitch 1. We've got another couple here. Another pitch, and then unfortunately we've got to put up some really bad views, some absolutely terrible views here. So this is the view that we've got to put up with today. We got here a little bit early, it was a bit sunny. There you go, there's the view from where we are. A few llamas there. Down there, which we'll go and look at tomorrow, there is a boat shack which serves all sorts of delicious and horrendous for you sugary stuff, but we'll eat some of that. And then behind there, behind the actual thing, is some glamping pods, so we'll go and have a look down there as well, and we'll just have a quick look at what it's like round there. Just starting to take a walk down here, and on the right there we've got a llama who's trying to see what the heck is this man doing. Indeed, I would be exactly the same. It's got a llama, give itself a bit of a scratch. It's quite an impressive trick, it can actually use its back leg to give itself a scratch. There you go. Hello. Not sure the llama's that impressed. Then they kind of come around there. There's a teepee there that's used for events. So they are having something here if you're watching on Tyne and Weir Camping and Caravanning. They have an October event on, which will be happening. And they're also going to have little bits and pieces on over time. So just down here is where the actual cafe is. You can get obviously hardwood logs. You're not allowed to have your own fire directly, but you can obviously buy some hardwood logs and everything's there. So just coming round, just straight ahead there, in fact there is the actual cafe, or called the boat shack. There's nice tables, and then they've got a few glamping pods which will put some footage up. Lucy's mum, or the girl's grandma, is staying in one of those, but we don't want to intrude today. But yeah, it's going to be quite good. Obviously tomorrow I'm at the Elddis open day. And then for the girls are just spending their time pottering around, and they've got another surprise. So their other surprise that they don't know, and I'm good thing I'm far enough away. So the first surprise was their grandma and their aunties coming up. The other surprise is that they've got a friend called Ruby, who is like a half cousin, I think. I can't remember exactly, they've got quite a large family, and they're coming up tomorrow. That's a total surprise to the girls that they don't know. So it's a little bit of a family experience, which is good. I'm obviously going to see, like I said, at Elldis, the vans that I want to see, the family vans that Elldis have got out, particularly I think the one with the new double bed and then the twin bunks. And then we'll come back here and we'll have a look around as well. But yeah, the view, again the camera probably doesn't do it justice, but the views are absolutely breathtaking. So let me see all the way around there. Terrible views there, absolutely stunning, and a really great site that I think a lot of people will like. So I'm going to go off now. I've set up the awning things. Somebody forgot the table. Oh yeah, that was me. And yeah, we're just going to enjoy the rest of the night. We've got a bit of space there, so there's a bit of space to go on the field that's it for now, and we'll catch you in a little bit. Goodbye. Good night, Roland the Robsons. After you saw us last time, we had tea, and Lucy's mum and 3 sisters all came up, and the girls were up quite late, so hopefully since they were up quite late we might get a bit of a lie-in. Obviously I've got to go with Elddis, and yeah, it was a really good night because we've obviously brought the awning, which we don't normally bring on weekends because it can be a little bit time consuming putting up, but I think it has been beneficial on this occasion. We've just used the space and sat and chatted and laughed and giggled, and the girls went to bed probably no more than half an hour ago, or maybe just over half an hour, and it's now 10 o'clock at night, so it's now time for my bedtime. But I'm going to have a quick look at the stars outside. Because we're a little bit further out here, there is very little light and kind of light pollution, so you can kind of see the stars really crystal clearly. I'll try and take a picture. I just don't think it'll quite do it justice, so we'll see it tomorrow when, as I said, I'm at the Elddis event. The girls are going to have some fun with their grandma and their 3 aunties. So good night, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning from Roland the Robsons. The little one was a little bit unwell last night, so she took a little while to go to sleep, or woke up a couple of times, and she came back into bed this morning about 6:30. She's still asleep. I'm up obviously getting ready. I've had a shower already, that's what we heard, before we go to Elddis, and Maisie's already up watching YouTube on my phone. Don't think she's watching Roland the Robsons though, she's laughing away. And then yeah, everyone's asleep bar me and Maisie, so we're just going to have a little bit of breakfast, and then I'll be getting off to Elddis, and the girls will be staying here. Hopefully we'll get some pictures of what things they're up to, so we can add that to the video as well. But yeah, we'll catch you in a little bit. Goodbye. Alright, so just off to Elddis. It's about 9:45, so hopefully by the time we get there it'll open up. As I said, we're looking at one particular caravan, and when we get there we'll try and film that one. We'll probably put that as a separate, but we'll just do a little bit of filming around there and have a little look around at what's available from Elddis in their 2020 season. So we'll catch you in about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll have a look around Elddis and see what they've got for their new season. Bye for now. So here we are in the 868, the new model from Elddis, which has the bed at the back, the double bed. Hi, we're just down here at Elddis, as you can see, for the open day. So people are looking around at different vans that Elddis are selling in 2020 models. It's nice vans down here. I do like Elddis colours, and I think they're kind of well presented. So we're just having a wander around. We just saw Martin from the Caravan Nut, and I'm sure he'll be tweeting a photo of that. So yeah, just having a quick wander around. Had a quick look at the family vans, got some little bits and pieces that we can probably put up on YouTube, just a quick tour of those, and then I'm going to head off in a little bit to go back to the family and spend the day, because it's absolutely stunning as well. What a lovely day for Elddis to have their open day here.
There's a seat here just for you. Me, Olivia. I'm going to sit on it.
Hi, it's been a while since we caught up, so the last time we did a little bit of video footage was about 12 o'clock. It is now about 8 o'clock. Once we got back, we had some dinner, and then about 2 o'clock there was another surprise for the girls, in that maybe their cousin twice removed, or something that kind of came up with their mum and dad. They've been here since about 2 o'clock. We had a wander down to the boat shack, and they had some mammoth ice creams, which we'll put up in a second. We just sat and had a bit of a chill near the pod section. Again, we'll put a picture of what the pod section looks like up as well. And then after that, we came back up here, and the girls played a little bit outside. There's a big bit of grass where we are. And then we had some tea about 5 o'clock. We had a bit of a barbecue and a teppanyaki, so we did that, and we just sat outside for quite a while just chatting about things. So there was me, Lucy, our 3 girls. There was also Lucy's mum, and therefore Lucy's 3 sisters, and then there was the girls again, a half cousin, along with their mum and dad, and we just sat and chatted and watched the geese fly by. And we watched a gentleman next door with his drone as well. And then by the time we'd done that, it was kind of coming to 8 o'clock. So I just sitting inside the caravan. We've just got a few things sorted. So yeah, we'll put any footage that's relevant up in a second. And that's probably the end of our 2 days here. Obviously, we've got a little bit of time in the morning, and we'll put some footage together for that. But it's been really good here at Derwent View, Caravan and glamping site. And we'll maybe do a review of that maybe later on. So thank you for watching what we've seen so far. We'll do a little bit in the morning, and that'll be it. And it's been a really good experience, and sorry we haven't filmed as much as we probably would do normally, but having the family here and they didn't really want to be on camera, I didn't think it was worth filming too much, and obviously want to spend some time with the family. So yeah, another absolutely great weekend with the caravan. This is kind of why we in the caravan community love our caravans, and we might have another caravan because the half cousin's dad has been looking at motorhomes, and he was kind of talking about our caravan. He went, actually, you get quite a bit for your money with the caravan compared to what you get in a motorhome. Again, nothing wrong with motorhomes, they're great things as well, but maybe yet they're thinking and considering whether it might be better getting a caravan because they get a bit more real estate for their money than what they get with a motorhome. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning and welcome to Rolling the Robsons. This is our last morning here at Derwent View camping and glamping site. We're going to have a little wander around and do some footage, maybe to do like a review so people can see different parts of the site. We've just got breakfast on here. The breakfast is sizzling away there. And then obviously it'll be kind of a case of starting to get the awning down. And then it will be kind of just starting to get going really, I suppose. So I'll just take you around again to see. So back of the big XC90 there. And that's the view. So I think I've taken a couple of pictures already. But it gives you a view of the site. And the vans are already up, popping around as to do. So there you go, panoramic there. The sun was out before, actually. I think it's just hidden behind that cloud there. So yeah, back to have breakfast, and then I'll have a pot around and take some footage of the site, and then we'll be getting going. So thank you again for watching already. And thank you for watching all the different parts. See you in a bit. Good morning from Rolling the Robsons. This is our last time, as we said, here before. We've had a quick wander around the site to do a little review, and we'll put a video up for that soon, or it might even be that we've put it up already. Don't know if you can see, probably can't quite see, but the view of the reservoir behind us is absolutely fantastic. So what we've decided to do is we're going to stay here for a little bit longer. Because the weather's again looking pretty good outside. It cost us a fiver to stay a bit later. To be fair, they did say we could stay for free if we weren't using the electric after 10:30. But because we have Lucy's mum and her Lucy's 3 sisters, we're probably going to use the caravan as a bit of a base. Probably have lunch, and then by the time we've had lunch, we're going to head off and hopefully going to go for a little bit of walk around part of the reservoir. So yeah. We've got a few more hours here, and it's been a really great weekend. Again, this is one of the things, and I don't know if you're watching the Adria videos, we did get a little bit despondent about caravanning because of the whole issues, but this again shows why this is great. It's an hour away, great freedom, great around the lake, bit of wildlife, and the girls have thoroughly enjoyed it. So yeah, we'll catch you in a bit.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bitter what you need. I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. Do you think of me when you're on your way home? Holding hands along the tracks. I'm dancing hours away, but I still feel alone. So I go order one more shot. In my dreams I pick you up. I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within.
It's goodbye from Roland and Robsons from Derwent View Camping and Glamping. I've had a good weekend, the girls have really enjoyed it. Enjoy it, Mizzy?
Yeah.
What was your favourite thing?
Probably spending time with my family.
Okay, Martha, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What was your favourite thing?
Spending time with the family.
Olivia, what was your favourite thing?
She's saying family.
Oh, Grandma. So if you don't already, give us a subscribe and click that bell. Give us a like and maybe a comment about if you've been here before. So bye for now.